let me show you how to build a complete courier and logistics tracking website using a PHP script without writing any single line of code, where your users and customers can simply come and just paste their tracking code and get full absolute information of their shipment details, status, pickup, date, etc. Users can also log in onto your website. They can also sign in and check their shipment information from their user dashboard. They can also print their shipment information and do many more. If you are interested in learning how to do this, just stay tuned as we get started right now. So right now guys, I'm on my cPanel here on my Namecheap hosting. So what I'm going to do is, so right now I'm going to go to my file manager right here. I'm going to go to my file manager. Then I'm going to select the domain that I want to use. So this is it right here. So this is the one I want to use. So I'm going to install my scripts. So I will just delete these folders. I don't need them. So what I want to do now is I want to upload the script. So I'm just going to click on upload. Then I'm going to click on select file. So this is the script right here. So I'm just going to double click. So now I'm going to wait till it's finished uploading. So right now when the color turns green, so it means it has successfully uploaded. So I'll just close the tab right here. So then I'm going to reload it here. So this is the script right here. So what I need to do now, I'm going to extract it. So I'm going to click on extract. I'm going to click on extract file. So now that I'm done extracting, so this is the folder. So right now I'm going to enter into the folder. So these are the files inside of the folder. So I just want to copy, highlight all of it. Then I'm right click. Then I want to move all of the files outside. So I'm going to clean this prime cargo here. Then I'm going to click on move file. So now it has moved all of the file outside. So if I should go outside now, so now as you can see, all of the files are now outside. So this folder is going to be empty. So right now I'm just going to delete this folder. So now what I need to do is I need to go on ahead to set up my database. Then we'll connect the database with the script here. So I'm going to go back to my cPanel. I'm going to go to where we have MySQL database wizard. So I'll open it in a new tab. So right now we're going to give our database a name. So in my case, I think I'm just going to name it cargo db. So meaning cargo database. So I'm going to click on next step. Then I'm going to give my database username a name as well. So now we need to create a database user. So we have created a database. Now we have to create a database user. So I'm going to name it cargo as well. So I can name it cargo user. Then I'm going to set up my password. So but for my password, you can always use your own complicated password, but in my own case I'm just going to copy this and paste it here because of time. So I'm going to click on create user. Then I'm going to select all privileges. I'm going to scroll down and click on next step. Then after that, so now we have our database user and then we have our database here. So now to connect our database information with our script, to go back to our file manager here, I'm going to go into USS core. So I'm going to go to con.php. So I'm going to right click and click on edit. So right now what we need to do now is we need to replace some informations here. So like we need to replace the database user, database password and database name, so as well as for localhost and for server as well. So now to do that, I will just come back here I'm going to drag this here. So now I'm going to come here. This the information for the database user. I'm just going to copy it right here. So then I'm going to come to the DB user right here. So I'm just going to paste it here for DB user. So and then for the password, this is what I used for the password. So I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it here. Then for the database name, I use the database name same as for my password. So I'm just going to paste it. So I'm going to do the same for this second aspect as well. So I'm going to come here, database name. I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to come to database password. I'll also paste it here. Then for the database user, I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to paste it there. So that's how to connect the database with the script. So I'm going to click on save changes. So right now, to test if everything is working fine, I'm going to go back to my file manager here. So now I need the URL of your website. Just copy it, then try and visit your website and see how it loads. So as you can see, everything seems perfect. So the script has been successfully installed. So if you want access to this script, there is a link in the description of this video below where you can get access to this script and you'll be able to install it exactly the same way as I have installed it in this video. So now let's move in and try and set up our account. So right now, the first thing we need to do is to create an account so we can be able to manage this website. So I'm just going to click on sign in here. So we do not have an account yet, so I'm just going to click on create an account. So any account we create right now is also going to serve as our admin account. So I'm just going to use my Gmail. I'm going to set up my password. Sign up. So now, okay. So now we now need to log in. So the same email and password. Okay. So as you can see, I've been able to log in to my dashboard. So as you can see right now, this is the account of the user. So this is the user account. So because anybody that comes to the website as the user can also go on ahead to create an account for themselves, and from their account they can also be able to see their tracking. So they can sign in and see their their tracking and shipment information. So if we are to log in into the into the um into the admin account like this, so all we need to do is just type in slash admin at the end of the URL. So then it's going to be able to take us to, so let me just close this tab first. If so so let me go slash admin to go into the admin dashboard. So as you can see, this is our admin dashboard. this is our user dashboard and this is our admin dashboard. So to go to the user dashboard, it's just going to be slash dashboard, while to go to the admin dashboard, it's just going to be slash admin. So right now, this is our admin dashboard. So we have, this is where we can see all of our users. So currently we are the only users here. So you can also add new user from your end here, and users can also come to the website and also create an account. So shippings, so this is where we had shippings. So if you click on placement here, you will see all of the shippings that are currently active, but if you click on add new, you'll be able to create a new shipping. Then we have offices, so we need to also add offices before we can create shipping, because it is in those offices that the shipping will be taken off. Like, let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So when you come to pick up office here, so as you can see, so we need to add the offices, so we'll be adding them in a bit. So very quickly, let me add the office. So I'm just going to come here to add new. So now I want to add a branch name. So because this is just testing, so I'm just going to add an office. So let me add an office, like maybe probably Lagos branch. Then we put an email. So let me just add my email. Then address. So which address? Let's say maybe probably Ikeja, Maryland, Ikeja, then Lagos. Then we put a phone number. So I'll just put a dummy phone number for now. Then state, we already know it's Lagos State. Then status to be enabled. Then country going to be Nigeria. So I believe you get the idea. So in your own case, you'll be dealing with real office, so you have to put your real office, the branch, all of the places where your branches are located. So users, you can use, so let's add it as our main office. So I can go on ahead to create more office. For example, we have shipment that can be picked, that can actually pick up from Lagos. We have shipment, let's say we also have branch at Abuja. So probably, so let's say Abuja branch. So I actually don't know a lot in Abuja, so but let me say Ibadan branch. So address, I can say so let me just put somewhere, or I can just say challenge Ibadan, Oyo State. Then I'll put state, Oyo State. Then put an email address for that particular branch. So you can put any email address. So something like this. Then put phone number for that particular branch. Then just make sure it is enabled. Then country, Nigeria. So whichever country it's going to be. So we already have a main office, so we will not tick this. So just click on add office. So that is very good. So now let's go to view all. As you can see, we now have two offices. We currently now have two offices. So one last thing that we are going to do before we can create our shipment is to add a staff member. As you can see, we need to add a staff member. So if I should reload now and check, so as you can see, we already have our offices. So depending on the business you are creating the website for, or probably your own business, you're going to add all of your branches here. So, and then your staffs that are in charge of the shipments that you want to, they are going to create an account on the website like this. They have a user account, then you're going to add them as a staff. So let's add ourselves as a staff. So let me go to users, all users. I'm going to come here to edit. Then I'm going to, as you already know, this is the user. I told you when we create the account, it's going to add us automatically as an admin and also as a user. So this is the same user account here. So now I want to select this our own user here as the staff. So I'm just going to go back here, then click on edit again. So now I'm going to add it as a staff. So then click on update account. So right now let's go on and create our first shipment. So I'm just going to come here and click on add new shipment. So this is the tracking ID that has been generated. So shipment name, you can name it anything depending on the product. Let me just say cargo or whichever stuff. So name, so the sender name. So let me just use a sender name here, Brian, then phone number, then address, because then state, then country will be Nigeria. So right now we're going to add the receiver details. So something like Mary whatsoever, then phone number, then the address. So let's assume the person is in Ibadan. So probably let's say Ajibode at Ibadan. Then Oyo State, then Nigeria. Then put the receiver's email here. So we can put any email. Okay, let me just put a valid email. So I just drop the email here. Then let me drop this. So I think we are done with that. So let's go to the next section. So the delivery. So where is it? Picking up from Lagos. The city is Ikeja. Then country should be Nigeria. Then the destination is in Ajibode in Ibadan, Oyo State. Then city is Ibadan. Then country is also Nigeria. Then after that, pickup office is Lagos. Then pickup date, what date is it gonna pick up? So I'm just gonna use any date here. So then departure date. So I'm just going to choose any here. So expected delivery date. So let's choose the date here as well. Shipment status. So here we can so currently now we should be on queue or still get. So once the partial date time is on, then we're going to change it to picked up from here. So but for now, since it is not yet picked up, it's going to be picked up by 5 p.m. and we are currently at 3 p.m. So it's going to be in queue. So then price, so the shipping cost, whatever price, so let's say it's $50. And you can also note that we can also change this currency as well. So let me show you how to do that very quickly. So you can just come here to tools here, under settings, go to general here, general settings, then this is where we can change the currency. So just put the symbol. So let's come here and search for naira symbol. So I'm going to come back here and then paste it here. So I'm going to click on save changes. So by doing that, if I should reload this now, the symbol should change, but because I filled up all of these things, so let me just submit for now. So then send us comment. So that we can just comment that package currently in queue. So stuffs like that. So then approval status, you can say it is approved. Notify client about approval change. Yes. So then we click on create shipment. So as you can see, the shipment has been successfully created. The shipment details were successfully created. So okay, yeah, as you can see, it has changed to naira. I know I told you the other time, so you can always change the currency whenever you want here. So and this is where we change the logo, the site name, headline, description that shows in the front page of the website here. So now so right now we can view shipment from here. Let me see. So as you can see, this is the shipment info. So this is the tracking ID. So let's assume we want to send. So let's assume now that the user wants to track his or her shipment. So what the user has to do is just come into the front end of the website here. So and then the user will paste in the tracking ID. Once they click on search, it's going to bring in the shipment information, and then they can also come in to track order to come to this tracking page, so they can paste it here as well and click on search. So let me try and upload the logo. Yeah, so let me save the logo. So now the logo has been saved. So let me reload the front end of the website. So this is it. So the user can just come to the front end of the website here to track the shipment. So once the user pastes it like this, click on search. So as you can see, this is the shipment details. So the user can also come to where it says track order. Under track order here, the user can come here and also paste the shipment code and click on search. So then this, you can see the shipment details that we filled in the other time. So I guess, okay, we still need to add info. We did not add any information about the package. So let me go back to the shipment details here. So I'm going to go to placement. So I'm going to click on edit. So I'm going to click on packages. So this is it here. So you can add package. So you can also select the picture of the package. So I don't know, let me select this. So because I just want to assume it's a brief, something like a, let's say, item name box package, then in kilograms, I don't really know. much about this, but I'll just put 5. Quantity, it is 1. Variety, so what type of, okay, we have not yet created a variety in here. So under this where we create variety, so we had variety. So let me just say cargo. So or let me just say uh, uh let me just put it at cargo here. So right now I should come back here and reload this. So let me add package again. So let me add the box again. Then item name, box, package. Then weight, you can say it is 5 kg, quantity just 1, as you can see. So if you add more variety, we have more to select. So add package. Package was added successfully. So let's go back to our tracking page and see how it has updated. So as you can see, we now have packages here. So there's also one thing I want to show you. Let me come back to the placement. We can also print the result, the tracking result. So if I click on print here, as you can see, we can definitely print. So this is it here. If I click on print, so we have this, of which you can print. So and we can as the user, you can also view the tracking from here. If I come to shipment here, as you can see, this from the user account, they can track. So as you can see, you can also see it here. So one more thing I also want to show you as well. So let me come to placement here. Let me go to edit. We can also add history. So from here we can add history. So let's add a new history. So the history will be like the progress of the shipment stuff. So currently, let's say it has reached it is still in Nigeria. Then come to, so currently, let's say it's still in Lagos, but area probably maybe it is now in Ojodu, Bega, or okay, probably right now I don't from Lagos. So let's say currently maybe it's now in Lagos Ibadan Expressway, something like that. So if you also need the map to display in that particular location, we just need to add the longitude and latitude of that particular area. So let's say there's a website here where we can get longitude. So I think it is long lat or lat long, something like that. Okay, it is lat long. So now we just need to type in the name of a particular place. So I'll just type in Lagos Ibadan Expressway. So let's find and see, maybe we get. So now we are getting something. So I'm just going to copy this into, come here and paste it for latitude. Then this is for longitude. I'll copy it and paste it for longitude here. Then I'm going to click on add track. So if I should come here to our tracking page again, so let's see the progress. So as you can see, we now have history currently in Lagos Ibadan Expressway. So once it passes Lagos Ibadan Expressway, probably it's now in Ibadan, we can go to history again and update it that right now it is at can say Ibadan, Oyo State. So probably at Apata. So then So Apata Ibadan. So something like this. So we can copy this again, then we paste it here again, then we find it. So Apata Ibadan. So copy this, paste it under latitude, copy this again, paste it under longitude. Let's add this track as well. So now if I should reload it again, as you can see, we now have an updated history currently in Oyo State, Apata Ibadan. So this is how the Courier script works. So let me go back to the admin dashboard. So what else have we not covered? So this is the notification area. So if there's any new stuff, is going to be displayed here in the notification. So this is how the Courier and logistics script works. So if you are interested in getting access to this script, just kindly check the description of this video below. You will see the link to get access to this script and then other bonuses that I have for you. Thank you for watching this video to this far, guys. I really appreciate. See you in the next video. Bye for now.